AI agency owners, I got a question for you. Are you tired of offering the same generic, commoditized AI services, struggling with clients who leave after a month, not sure how to charge premium prices for your offers? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly, I'm going to show you how we help Roosevelt, an AI agency owner, go from selling low-margin commoditized AI services to selling high-margin productized AI offers that clients actually want. My name is Yunus. I run a growth consulting company called hybridscaling.com, where we help AI agencies scale to multiple 5-6 figures a month by building and deploying our growth infrastructure into their business so they can experience more success. A few weeks ago, I connected with Roosevelt, and like most AI agencies, he was stuck selling commoditized AI offers. And on his website, you can literally see he's selling AI chatbot, AI voice agent, AI content creation, which are commoditized offers. And the problem with these services is just like anyone can wake up today and sell these services, AI chatbot, AI voice agent. And I remember on our first call, he asked me, Yunus, I don't see how I'm adding value to my client. How can I charge premium prices for my services, because it was a low pricing and has absolutely zero leverage. He was selling it for, I don't know, 500 to 1,000 or 1,500 maximum. What we did next for him was very simple. This is his old offer, and here you have his new offer. What we did is just like, I told him, okay, let's make it simple. Let's change your messaging and your positioning by simply turning all your services here, everything you do here, let's turn it into one single offer. Now, when he go into a business, he's not offering AI chatbot. He's not offering an AI voice agent. He's not offering AI content creation. No. Now, when he go into a business, he's offering AI workforce system. We took everything he's doing, he's offering, and we put it into one single offer and call it AI workforce system. And this, he can sell it. By the way, it's a build and deployment, and for a 3-month program, one-time fee upfront. He can sell it for 7,000 to 15,000 upfront. The beauty with this model is just like after the 3-month program, he can upsell the client on a retainer base and charge 2,000 to 3,000 per month just to maintain the stuff he built for that business in the first 3 months. Look, retainer base 2,000 to 3,000, and this he was selling it for less than 1,500, which is crazy to me. And one of the benefits of this offer is just like it's one single productized offer. Is productized because we're going to turn it into a product, into an asset after. It's tangible. You have the infrastructure here. I'm going to show it to you after. High pricing, 10,000 plus. High perceived value. How? Because let's say the business has a lead gen problem, and you're solving only the lead gen problem with AI lead gen. You're solving only one problem for that business. And now Roosevelt, what he does is just like he go into a business and solve and bridge the whole gap and solve all the problems for that client and make sure they get to the desired outcome. See the difference? You're solving one problem for that for your client, and Roosevelt, he's solving all the problem for his client. He's bridging the whole gap and make sure they experience what success feels like. And what we did after is just like we took his new offer, and turned it into an infrastructure. I won't show you exactly what we did for him, but I'm gonna give you an idea what it looks like. So we start by addressing his ICP current situation. Let's say they have problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, stopping them from getting to the desired outcome. This is the desired outcome. They have success 1, desired 2, 3, 4. So between the current situation and the desired outcome, there is a gap in between, and this gap is stopping them, is keeping them from experiencing the success of their work. So what the Roosevelt is gonna do after is just bridge that gap with his solution to get them to the desired outcome. So we can say you have solution 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you call them. And by the way, this can be turned into an asset. Okay, let's say a free Notion template, a VSL video, and can be used as a free guide, a lead magnet, or an outreach asset. So this is what we build for Roosevelt. And guess what? This is only the first pillar of our offer. Our growth infrastructure has 6 pillars. The first one is value creation. Okay, you have value creation, attention flow, lead flow, deal flow, fulfillment, and AI integration. So what we do when we start working with an AI agency, our goal is to take you from the 99% of AI agencies to the top 1%. And most AI agencies, this is their current situation. They're offering the same generic low margin AI services and consistent revenue, relying on one-off project with unpredictable income. They cannot justify, prove an ROI to the client, and it's not scalable and low client acquisition. And like the churn is very, very high. Most AI agencies lose almost 90% of the client after the first month. And this is the top 1%. They have consistent client flow, attract 5 to 10 new B2B clients per month, stable revenue, make 20 to 100,000 plus per month, high margin up to 60%, and efficiency lead gen, clear offering. They know exactly what they're offering to their clients. So no confusion, zero confusion, because confusion kills your sales. Our mission is just to bridge the whole gap. Take AI agency from the 99% to the top 1% and make sure they get to the desired outcome. And I won't explain our infrastructure in detail because it will take a lot of time, but just value creation is just what we did for Rosebear, and but what we did for Rosebear is just like the beta version. What I show you here, we have the final product there. We go deep and make sure we come up with a unique selling proposition and offer that sells itself and can be sold for more than 10,000 plus. And after the value creation, we have the attention flow. Make sure you're having eyeballs on social media. And the third pillar is deal flow, turning that attention into high qualified lead. And the fourth pillar is just deal flow. We turn the leads you have here into actual buying customer. And then the fifth pillar is fulfillment. We help you with providing value to your client, the onboarding processes, the SOPs, and everything in between. And the last one is AI integration. So how can we put AI in your business and make sure everything is running smoothly and streamline your processes? This is our growth infrastructure. This is what we do for AI agency. We build it and we deploy it into your business. And here you can see how we are able to book like 4+ calls per day on LinkedIn, for example. And this is by the way, our Google Sheet. And you can see we receive a connection request, new connection. We replied, we receive a message, we receive our Notion, free Notion guide. We are able to track everything and book like up to 5+ calls per day, which is absolutely crazy. So this is what we're gonna build and deploy in your business. Imagine what you're getting. So if you are an AI agency owner and you believe that sticking to offering the same generic commoditized AI offers, being part of the 99% of AI agencies, will keep you from experiencing what it feels to be part of the top 1% of your industry and scale to multiple 5-6 figures per month, then please book a call with me using the link in the description. I will briefly explain the process around implementing this framework, this growth infrastructure into your business. I will give you the price, and if it's something you are ready to move ahead with, we'll get started right away. No wasting time. Our goal is to work with 5 AI agencies. Therefore, we don't aim to be the cheapest, but we aim to give the best service possible. And that forces us to serve less clients, but give them the best chance at getting the result they paid for. And let's be honest, you've probably been burned hundreds of times by cheap and incompetent business coaches. I'm not a business coach, by the way, but you've been burned hundreds of times by business coaches who waste your time and money by focusing only on the surface of your problem. They solve only one of your problems. Our mission is to bridge the whole gap. We bridge the whole gap. We take you from where you are to where you want to be and solve all your little problems and make sure you experience what it feels to be part of the top 1%. So if that's what you want, being part of the top 1% of your industry, then please book a call with me using the link in the description. And guess what? I'm waiting for you on the other side. See you.